Think Office 365 always costs money? Not exactly. In 2026, there are actually several legitimate ways to use Word, Excel, and PowerPoint for free. But here's the thing, a lot of videos out there show shady activation tricks or lifetime licenses that can get your account banned or mess up your files. In this video, I'm going to show you the safest, most practical free methods that actually work, explain the pros and cons of each, and help you figure out which one is best for your needs. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, quick question before we start. Do you only need Office for basic stuff like reports, assignments, and simple spreadsheets? Or do you need advanced Excel formulas, VBA macros, and offline access every day? If you're in the first group, most students and casual users, then the free options are honestly more than enough. The paid version is mainly worth it for heavy Excel users and professionals who also get 1 terabyte of storage. So with that in mind, let's start with the easiest free method. Method 1. Microsoft 365 Online, best for most users. I've been using this myself for the past few months, and for most everyday tasks, it's genuinely the best choice. It's completely free, 100% official from Microsoft, no installation required, and it covers about 80% of what normal people need. Just open your browser, go to office.com, sign in with your Microsoft account, or create one for free. And click Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Create a new file, and you can start editing. After editing, click on the file to download, or it will be output as a PDF. That's it, you can start working immediately. Files save automatically to OneDrive, but you only get 5 gigabytes of free storage. I suggest regularly cleaning up old files or downloading finished work to your computer. It works great for school assignments, weekly reports, resumes, basic spreadsheets, and team projects. You can share a link and collaborate in real time, super convenient. Of course, it has limitations, no VBA or macros. Some advanced Excel features are missing, and you need an internet connection. But for most students and casual users, this is plenty. Now, let's move to Method 2, the Microsoft 365 1-month free trial. If you need the full desktop version for a short period, like writing a thesis, preparing a big presentation, or handling a heavy Excel project, this is a great choice. It gives you the complete Office with all advanced features and 1 terabyte of OneDrive storage for 30 days. Just go to the official Microsoft 365 website, click Start Free Trial, sign in with your Microsoft account, and install the desktop apps. Super simple. But here's the important part. After 30 days, it will automatically turn into a paid subscription. So make sure you go to your Microsoft account services and subscriptions and turn off auto-renewal before the trial ends. Do this early to avoid any surprise charges. I recommend saving this trial for your busiest time so you can make the most of the full 30 days. Method 3. Free alternatives, great for collaboration. If you work with others a lot or want something even simpler, I highly recommend Google Docs and Google Sheets. I use Google Docs all the time for team projects because it's smoother for collaboration. Everyone can edit the same file at the same time, see changes instantly, and leave comments no more who has the latest version headaches. It's completely free, works on any device, and needs no installation. Just go to Google Drive, create a new document, and share the link. The autosave and version history are excellent. The only downside is that if you need perfect Microsoft file compatibility or very advanced Excel functions, you may need to export to Word Excel format at the end. Method 4. One last important thing, a lot of people assume it's in the cloud, so it's safe. But that's not always true. Files can still get accidentally deleted, overwritten, corrupted during sync, or lost after a crash. It's happened to many viewers and me before. If you ever lose an important Word, Excel, or PowerPoint file, my go-to tool is 4DDIG Data Recovery. It's simple and effective and can scan your computer or OneDrive folders to recover deleted or missing Office files. Just install the software, select the drive or folder where your files were saved, run a scan, preview the files, and recover them to a safe location. And here's the best part. If the recovered file still won't open or is corrupted, 4DDIG also has a built-in file repair feature. With one click, it can fix damaged Word, Excel, or PowerPoint files so you can open them again. So that's all for today. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more tech guides, and I'll see you in the next one.